sweet moon dances in the street, fleeting as an untold dream. Oh, flowing Jade, river so deep, you carry the stars where they sleep. With every ripple soft and wide, you cradle the world as a guide. Mountains rise like ancient kings, the pipa hums as the airy sings. Through the bamboo the flute does call, a voice that echoes through it all. Endless tides, endless time, a song of earth, a song sublime. Flowing Jade, river so deep, you carry the stars where they sleep. With every ripple soft and wide, you cradle the world as a guide. Flow, I see the mirror of eternity. Each drop a tale, each wave a sigh, a story.